So I know I've been talking about getting you a textbook. Well, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go down to, scroll down to textbook, you can click on that. It's going to take you to your modules. From here, if you want to do OWLs, we're going to assign those later. Right now, that's not an assignment. This is your textbook. Click on that, load that into a new window. Before you do that, of course, you're going to have to be engaged in SSO. Here are your chapters. So if you want to use a chapter, right now we're going to be on chapter 5. I've already expected you to have read chapters 1, 2, and 3. There are some nice video lessons if you want to work on a fast track to a 5. There's some good strategies, a nice review, some practice tests. We are going to be doing that, but not right now. Okay? At this point, these are the 3 you should have already read, chapters 1, 2, and 3. We are on chapter 5 right now. We will come back to chapter 4, but right now I want you to go through chapter 5. Okay? So you can click on chapter 5, pull up a screen, there's your introduction. It's going to read just like the pages in the textbook. This is going to be slightly different for those of you who have paper books because you have the 9th edition, this is the 10th edition. I'm trying to get a copy of the 9th edition loaded as well, but right now this is only the 10th edition, so I just need you to be aware of that. You can do some cool things here. You can read speak it, okay? And you can change your speed and your voice and all that kind of good stuff. You can highlight it, okay? You can take some notes here. You can add notes, the things you find important. You can take a look at the full book, okay? So you can actually flip through the pages kind of like a book chapter. I find this to be actually a little bit slower. If that's what you want to do, you can do that. You can print selected pages. And you can't print everything, but you can print selected pages, so that's good. You can pull up some flashcards as well. So feel free to explore that site. Alright, so I just want to make sure that everybody knew how to get to the textbook so that you guys can be reading and doing assignments. Also at the end of the chapters there'll be some problems and we'll go over those as well.